Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the clutch in your KitchenAid Artisan mixer. Let's ensure your mixer performs flawlessly again. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a socket wrench with a 10mm socket, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you work in a clear area with good lighting. Before we begin, unplug the mixer to ensure safety. Now, flip the mixer upside down and remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the cover is off, you'll see the motor and the clutch assembly. Use your socket wrench to remove the screws securing the clutch. There are typically 3 screws holding it in place. Remember, while you're working, if you feel uneasy about any step, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After removing the screws, gently lift out the clutch assembly. Inspect the clutch for wear and tear. If you notice any damage, it's time for a replacement. You can find genuine KitchenAid parts online or at your local appliance store. Clean the area where the clutch sits with a soft cloth to remove any dust and debris. This step is crucial for ensuring a smooth operation once the new clutch is installed. Now, if you're ready to install the new clutch, align it properly in the assembly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. At this point, if you don't have the necessary tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. It's a hassle-free way to get your mixer fixed without needing to make calls or travel. Once the clutch is securely in place, reattach the base cover. Align it correctly and insert the screws, tightening them as you did before. Ensure everything is snug to prevent any rattling during operation. Finally, flip your mixer back to its upright position, plug it in, and give it a test run. Check that the speed settings function smoothly and that there's no unusual noise. If you find that the mixer still isn't operating as expected, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the clutch on your KitchenAid Artisan mixer. Regular maintenance will prolong its lifespan and performance. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out our other repair guides. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.